And of course, with new babies, and get to have new Hot Wheels. And this year, Hot Wheels came out with Little People Hot Wheel Track. And we got Little People Barbie, we got Little People Farmhouse, we got all the Little People stuff. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Now y'all might know that got a brand new granddaughter. She's a little over a year old. We got Paisley, who is going to be 7, and Peyton is the new one. And of course, with new babies, and get to have new Hot Wheels. And this year, Hot Wheels came out with Little People Hot Wheel Track. And we got Little People Barbie, we got Little People Farmhouse, we got all the Little People stuff. So of course we had to get the Little People Hot Wheel set. And we'll put it together for you and show you how easy it is and how easy it is to work. And Peyton loves it. I love it. We have a good time playing with it. And something her and her sister can play with also. It's really cool. And it's got 2 Hot Wheel cars with it. And it is just a lot of fun. It wasn't hard to build at all, just to follow the instructions. It is real easy to put together. It's a lot of fun, and you'll see at the end of the video that we play with it a little bit. As she gets older, she'll play with it a lot more. She only, like I said, just turned a year old, just started walking actually. But you can see here on the box, the kids are a little bit older, and a lot easier for them to play with. So if you've got a little one that is, under 5, I'm sure they have a ball with this thing, because I do. And I'm a little bit older than 5. But yeah, check it out if you want to get your grandkids or your kids into Little People, and of course Hot Wheels. Little People is always great stuff, man. I had Little People, I think, when I was a kid. So I know that I did with both boys, and Chris is 41. So Little People been around for a long time. Check it out, enjoy it, and thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. what'd you think? Was it easy to put together? I think so. We picked this up at Walmart. I don't remember how much it cost, but, you know, for the grandkids. Don't matter what it costs, right? Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. We really appreciate every time you guys stop by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe, always, so you guys know when we're doing new stuff. And, of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, guys, take care, and hopefully we'll see you somewhere real soon. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, check out the new official Mike Zarnock coloring book. All right, done by Fireball Tim Lawrence. Did an amazing job. It's on sale right now. You can get it at Amazon or Etsy, and I believe there might even be free shipping on there also. So if you want, you know, hey, buy them for everybody. I've been hearing people buying 5, 10 of them just to give out to everybody. So it's the official Mike Zarnock Hot Wheels coloring book by Fireball Publishing. And yeah, so check it out. It's on my website, mikezarnock.com. It's on Fireball Tim's, all of his social media, all of my social media. I'm sure that you can find a link. Actually, just search Mike Zarnock coloring book, and you'll find it. They're $9.95, $9.99, free shipping, I believe. So check it out. It's really cool. All of my, actually 19 of my favorite Hot Wheels cars. And of course, you know me, there's always got to be a little history in there too. So for every one of those cars, there's a little bit of a paragraph or two about the car, about its history, or why I like it. All right? Again, thank you very much for stopping by. Appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And of course, hey, be kind to one another. Let's have fun. All right? So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and hopefully we'll see you soon.